In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an unknown or forgotten Windows user password using Hiren's BootCD. I'm using the latest Hiren's BootCD PE downloaded from the official Hiren's website, and I've created a bootable USB drive using Ultra ISO. Restart the computer and press the boot menu key during startup. From the boot menu, select your bootable USB drive and press Enter. Hiren's BootCD PE will begin loading the Windows PE environment. Please wait until the loading process is complete before proceeding to the next step.
Once Hiren's BootCD PE has finished loading, you'll be taken directly to the Windows PE desktop. From the desktop, click Start, then go to All Programs, Security, Passwords, and open Windows Login Unlocker. The program will automatically scan all available drives for Windows installations and user accounts. After a few moments, it will display all the detected user profiles. If no user accounts are shown, it usually means the Windows partition is encrypted, such as with BitLocker, or the hard drive or SSD cannot be accessed because of a storage or hardware problem. In that case, you'll need to resolve the storage issue or unlock the encrypted drive before you can reset the Windows password.
In the application window, select the user account whose password you want to reset. Then click the Reset/Unlock button and confirm the action. The password reset process will begin immediately. Once it is finished, a success message pop-up will appear, indicating that the password has been removed successfully. Close the application and restart the computer. After the restart, you can see that the user account password has been removed, allowing you to sign in without entering a password. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.